Hi guys, how are you? Vanessa here, and welcome once again to our Constant Closer dashboard. Today, I'll teach you how to create a campaign using our campaign builder. You just have to head here to your campaigns tab, and then we have this lovely button that's called Create a Campaign. I'm very excited about this new feature, and you just have to actually paste the landing you want your users to sign up to and click on Next. So now the system will create this for you. It will basically generate and fill out all of the following sections. You just have to make sure everything's according to your plan. You want to make sure you select the correct agent for this. And just because if you select an agent that's a closer, it will completely change the campaign rather than you selecting an engager. So you have to make sure you select the correct agent. You can also select here who will be the first person to send the message, either Jenny this time or, for example, June, and who will be sending the follow-ups. So here, basically, under campaign details, the system will automatically add that your campaign will drive toward the landing page that you added at the beginning. So make sure that that's correct. And also, please add what action should the lead take. Even though this gets automatically filled, our suggestion is that you always go through all of the sections and that you tweak them towards what would be the best goal. Do you have any specific actions, any specific targets, or anything that has not been added, please feel free to add it here. So here under what action should the lead take, you can add the action that it should take. It also gives you an example, enroll the Einstein's Masterclass. If it's a sign up, if it's to purchase, just make sure you add it. Why should the lead take that action? If it's for enrollments, for limited early bird slots, for example, for a webinar, make sure you add it. Who is the campaign targeting? So who are the people you're targeting this time? If it's new registrants to your website, if you are getting those leads from elsewhere, make sure you add this here because the more information we have, the better we can tailor your campaign. So what's the strongest selling point? What's your value proposition here? Make sure you add it. What objections should the assistant be ready for? So in this case, we always that you add a list of objections that your leads may have, almost like an FAQ, but tending toward objections. So how should your lead handle those specific objections? Do you want it to respond in a certain way? Make sure you add it. Once this info is completely filled and you have gone over all of the sections and you're like okay with everything, please click on generate campaign and just let the magic happen. This is beautiful. Let's wait and see how this turned out. Just give it a little bit of time. So now your campaign has been created successfully. As the system is warning you, this campaign is in draft mode. Whenever you want to make this campaign go live or start running, just feel free to contact us so we can help you on that front. So for now, all campaigns that are created are set as a draft. Once this is created, just make sure you go through everything. So make sure you have the correct name or title for this campaign. Don't forget to always, if you tweak anything, just click on the save button so we make sure that everything's saved. Under conversion settings, may go through that was correctly selected at the beginning and that the conversion goal is okay. If it's to book a meeting, if it's to make a purchase or to sign up to a specific website, make sure you select that and the conversion link and the campaign specific instructions. Once you're okay with everything under that campaign, please feel free to reach out to us. We can start the campaign as soon as you're ready and happy with all the information that you have filled with our campaign builder. And that's it. That's it, pretty much it, guys. If you have questions, please write to us and contact us, and we'll be happy to help. Bye.